Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Pararla, and today we will discuss chapter 13 of NCERT, that is symmetry. Clear, student? So today we will discuss about the basic concept and introduction of the symmetry. What is the actual meaning of symmetry? देखो students, symmetry you face in your daily life. कैसे? How? जैसे symmetry means identical. Identical are same. ठीक है ना? In other word you can understand symmetry means student same. अब जैसे कि you face in daily life, जैसे देखो जैसे in television are many student went for the Taj Mahal which is situated in Agra. जैसे some student देखो this is the simple example I am connecting with your daily life. जैसे Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, everyone know. तो if मतलब you not मतलब actual wait for seeing Taj Mahal in Agra, तो many times you look in the picture, many times you look in the जैसे कि newspaper or in your book, your geography book or मतलब in television, ठीक है ना? I also was used to see in television, newspaper. तो देखो बेटा जैसे ताज महल मान लो जैसे this is your Taj Mahal, तो you can see in front of Taj Mahal there is a small pond, ठीक है ना, full of water. तो when you will see the Taj Mahal, तो this image of Taj Mahal look in this pond, ठीक है ना, and this image will be same of that Taj Mahal. तो what I want to explain student कि देखो symmetry means the identical means same. जैसे the Taj Mahal which is here, which is built in actual form, same you can look in, you will look in the in water. मतलब same image you will look in the water. It means this same Taj Mahal you can look in water, but this is not actual. This is your image. This is his image. ठीक है ना? तो this I want to explain कि symmetry you will face in your daily life example. In daily life you can see the symmetrical things. अब for example जैसे if this is a emoji face, if this is a emoji face, always you can use in your cell phone and many places other, ठीक है ना? देखो if I want to know कि what is symmetry of this, ठीक है ना? तो देखो when you जैसे if I draw a line ऐसे करके, if I draw a line, तो देखो you can see कि here it will convert in two part. देखिए कैसे? जैसे this is first part, ठीक है ना, and this is second part. देखो student, if I draw a line which divide these diagram in two equal parts, you can say this is your what? This is the line of symmetry. This is line of symmetry. Okay student, it means line of symmetry divides a diagram in two equal identical parts. Is that clear everyone? So this is our line of symmetry. तो बेटा देखो line of symmetry means what? You have to divide the diagram into equal and identical part. ठीक है ना? Part should be equal and should be identical. It means same. ठीक है ना? तो this is your simple things of symmetry. Some other diagram you can take. Some other diagram जैसे देखिए, जैसे if this is your semicircle you know student, semi मतलब half. If you will take diagram, if you will make full, this will be the full circle. So if I want to know what is the line of symmetry of this student, मतलब how you can divide in two equal parts. Symmetry means identical and two equal parts. You know that. So student, we were discussing about semicircle. देखिए, so this is about semicircle. Semi मतलब half. So if you have to draw the line of symmetry of this student, so how you will draw student? देखो, some student do this. So this student absolutely wrong. Why? You can see with your eyes. देखो, this is unequal part. This is unequal part. So the correct line of symmetry you can draw. If this is our semicircle, so देखो, this is our correct line of symmetry. Easily you can see this part is equal to this part, and this part is identical to this part. To symmetry, line of symmetry is what? The line is divided the diagram into two identical parts. Clear? So दिस इज अबाउट आवर सेमी सर्कल, ठीक है। चलिए नाउ कम टू सम अदर थिंग्स, जैसे कम ऑन रेक्टेंगल, ठीक है ना। इन रेक्टेंगल हाउ वी फाइंड आउट लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, so this is our rectangle, there is some rule student, there is some rule for rectangle। देखो this side is identical to this side and this side identical to this side, okay, यानी there are two pair of equal side, this length is equal to this length and this breadth is equal to this breadth। तो if you have to draw line of symmetry, तो देखो first line of symmetry of these two lines, मतलब these two sides, first line of symmetry of these two sides, because this length is equal to this length। second line of symmetry, देखो second line of symmetry you can draw these two line of, clear everyone, first line of symmetry for these two lines and second line of symmetry for these two lines। so in this two lines of symmetry, clear everyone, two line of symmetry, okay। come to the next point student, this is a rectangle। अब come to the kite, kite we have to use to many student know about kite, मतलब maximum you know about kite ना, हाँ you have used to fly। तो देखो diagram of kite like that, something like that, this is wrong, diagram of kite is like that, ठीक है। देखो this is symmetrical, मतलब this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side, okay। तो देखो in this line of symmetry of the student, तो देखो easily you can see if this is only possible way to draw a line of symmetry, because this line of symmetry divide this part and this part into two equal part, मतलब this kite into equal part, first part is identical to second part, clear। तो in the kite this is our line of symmetry, clear student। so you have to check what is the line of symmetry, how you will draw। now come to the next is like rhombus, rhombus। अब rhombus you know that this is our diagram of rhombus। तो देखो in this line of symmetry, first line of symmetry about first diagonal and second line of symmetry about second diagonal, you can also draw the diagram of rhombus like that, ठीक है ना। तो देखो first line of symmetry like that and second line of symmetry like that, clear student। तो in rhombus this is our line of symmetry, clear। देखो this is vertical line of symmetry, तो this part and this part will be equal, this is horizontal line of symmetry, तो this both part equal to this one, ठीक है ना। student you have to decide how to draw the line of symmetry to find out identical part, okay। now come to the next is square, next is square। अब देखो in square you know that square is the shape whose all sides are of equal length, ठीक है ना, यानी this all sides are of equal, ठीक है। but in rectangle opposite sides are of equal length, but here opposite and मतलब all sides are equal, तो first line of symmetry you can draw like that for these two sides, second line of symmetry you can draw like that for these two lines, other line of symmetry what you can draw student, if all sides are equal it means diagonal also equal, यानी another line of symmetry is about first diagonal and this another line of symmetry about second diagonal, clear student। तो देखो in this square four lines of symmetry, clear student। in square four line of symmetry is possible, clear to everyone। I think you are able to understand। some other diagram you can take, some other diagram student like isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle। अब देखिए isosceles triangle कैसे, तो you know that in isosceles triangle two sides are of equal length, two sides are of equal length, तो if two sides are equal length you have to draw line of symmetry, तो easily you can see if you draw this type of line of symmetry, तो देखो this part is identical to this part student, okay। you you can say this is our correct line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? Because to draw, जैसे this is our isosceles triangle, if you draw this type of line of symmetry, so you can see this is our triangle and this is other diagram. This is like trapezium. This is not the correct line of symmetry, so this is our correct line of symmetry. So you have to judge according to yourself what is the correct line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? If in the place of isosceles it was given equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, ठीक है ना? I have to find out what line of symmetry student. तो देखो equilateral triangle like this, ठीक है? तो all sides are equal and you know that. तो first line of symmetry you can draw like that. देखो this will divide diagram into two identical parts. Second line of symmetry you can draw like this. If you will see, so this part and this part will be equal length. Third line of symmetry you can draw like this. This is third line of symmetry. Clear student? So in equilateral triangle, three line of symmetry. How many? Three line of symmetry because all three sides are equal. ठीक है ना? And in scalar triangle, अच्छा, can you tell me in scalar triangle how many line of symmetry student? Can you tell me in scalar triangle how many line of symmetry? जैसे scalar triangle, ठीक है ना? You have to find out line of symmetry student. So you know that scalar triangle means the triangle having all different length. जैसे मान लो this is your scalar triangle. देखो all line of unequal length. तो if all side of unequal length, can you find out any line of symmetry student? So you can say no, because in scalar all sides are of unequal length. तो कैसे find out करेंगे आप? You cannot find out. Maybe this is मतलब isosceles triangle or any other, so you can find out very easily. ठीक है ना? But in this there is no line of symmetry, you cannot find out. ठीक है? Clear everyone? चलिए, तो स्क्वायर एंड रेक्टेंगल डन, स्केलर ट्रायंगल, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल ऑल डन. ठीक है ना? इन दिस यू विल राइट डाउन नो लाइंस ऑफ symmetry. Scalar triangle no line of symmetry because all sides are of different length. If any one side of given मतलब two pair of one side will be of equal length, you can draw line of symmetry like isosceles triangle. ठीक है ना? But in scalar triangle there is no line of symmetry. ठीक है? चलिए. Now next is, अच्छा, next is now I am going to talk some letters about some letters. ठीक है student? जैसे if A is given, like A is given, so can you draw the line of symmetry student? Very easily you can draw. देखो this type of line of symmetry for A. If B is given student, B line of symmetry student, this is line of symmetry. But if any student in examination did like that, this is absolutely wrong. देखो easily you can see this line of symmetry divide this part and this part into two equal part, but this line does not divide two equal part. So this is our incorrect. Clear everyone? Similarly, if you have to draw CE, line of symmetry for E, so you will draw line like that. देखो this divide into equal part. तो by this you can find out student very easily. ठीक है ना? Some other example student जैसे X is. तो can you tell anyone कि how many line of symmetry in X? Very easy. देखो X first line of symmetry vertical. This is first line of symmetry, and another you can draw like that. So in X, how many line of symmetry student? Two line of symmetry. If Y is given student, Y like that. Okay student? So how many line of symmetry? देखो Y you can draw one line of symmetry. Clear? So like that you can draw line of symmetry very easily. Other जैसे U is given, you have to draw line of symmetry. So simple, we draw like that. If anyone draw line of symmetry like that, देखो this is divided unequal part. This divided unequal part. ठीक है ना? Because this part is different, this part is different. ठीक है ना? And this is correct because from vertical to horizontal same part, from vertical to horizontal same part. But this is incorrect. This is our correct answer. ठीक है ना? तो student by this you can draw the line of symmetry in many ways. ठीक है ना? Main things you have to find out the line of symmetry, correct line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? तो everything I explained and some letters is given in your book. जैसे H is given student, if H is given and you have to find out line of symmetry. H is given, you have to find out line of symmetry. देखो first line of symmetry this one and second this one. यानी H two line of symmetry. First line of symmetry is vertical and second line of symmetry is horizontal. Clear everyone? This is about line of symmetry for H. So I think I explained everything. अच्छा, if circle is given student, can you tell me if circle is given, तो how many lines of symmetry? In circle, how many line of symmetry? Everyone draw the circle in your copy and tell me how many line of symmetry is given in circle. देखो, in O, if letter O is given, if letter O is given, if letter O is given na, if anyone asks you कि how many lines of symmetry in O, you will tell only 2 lines. देखो O like that, O is not total circular. But if anyone asks you कि circle, tell me how line of symmetry should be. So you know that कि circle, every line of symmetry will pass it through the its center. So you can draw many line of symmetry student. जैसे first line of symmetry like that, second line of symmetry like that, third line of symmetry. देखो every line will pass through the center and all line of symmetry. So many lines you can draw. ठीक है ना? You can write down in a circle unlimited line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? This is about circle student. Remember, this is about circle and this is about O. तो in letter O, ठीक है ना? Alphabet letter O, there are only 2 line of symmetry, but in circle, unlimited line of symmetry. Why? Because you know that every line pass through the center, it will divide the circle into equal part. ठीक है ना? Due to this, in circle, so many line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? तो student, I explained everything. Symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is identical. What is line of symmetry? How you have to draw the line of symmetry? मतलब which divide the diagram in equal part, identical part. So in next video, student, we will discuss the question of this. Yes, student. Because nothing else is given, only symmetry and line of symmetry is given. So I explain everything. So student, in next video we will discuss the question based on this. Still understand all the concept and doubt you can ask. Clear student? Thank you.